whatever you want to take in here. You could probably take a person in here as well. My parents are moving to Thailand here very, very soon, and my mom has a lot of stuff to bring. And so one suitcase is just not enough, and so I found this pack of 3 suitcases with a hard shell on the outside. They have 4 wheels, and this is just the big one. So once you see the other ones, you're going to be pretty shocked. So when we open it up, you have another suitcase. But not only this suitcase, it has another suitcase in it as well. So that's 3 hard shell suitcases, which is amazing because my mom can put her shoes in here, she can put her clothes in here, and then she can put more clothes, maybe some pictures, whatever you think a woman would bring to Thailand. So not only do they have 4 wheels, they have 3 handles, and they all have zipper pouches inside of the suitcases. So I'm just gonna show you guys the big one. So I'm gonna take these ones out of here. So as you can see in the big one, you have these adjustable straps to lock everything in so your things won't get moved around, they won't come unfolded if you fold them. And then you have this zipper pouch right here. You can put lots of stuff in here. I would personally probably put my bathing suits if I was going to Thailand. Tons of beaches there. And then on the other side, you have this zipper right here. So you can just zip this whole thing up and everything's going to stay intact. They all have this extender zipper, so if you think that it won't close, it definitely will be closing. I could honestly probably fit my whole self in this suitcase because it is so big and it has plenty of room. Some really cool features also about this suitcase is that the handles pull up and they're silicone. So they're not that metal or that crappy plastic. They're silicone and they just move up and down. On top of that, they all have locks on here. So your luggage is not going to get stolen. It's not going to get looked through or anything like that. You have this adjustable handle right here. And then you just press the button and it goes down. And then just like on the side, you have one on the top as well. I'm going to get a close-up and show you guys. As you can see, it moves up. It is this really nice, soft silicone. And then this is the handle. And then you go down to the side. You have the lock right here. And then you also have the other handle. So, like I said, they all have this hard outer shell that is going to protect all of your belongings. And I'm going to see if I can fit in this suitcase just to show you how big it really is. As you can see, I can fit in here, so you'll have plenty of room to fit all of your belongings or whatever you want to take in here. You could probably take a person in here as well. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.